Alright, language explorers, let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So a pain. Oh, a pain in the neck. Yeah, here we are, in the neck. In the neck. A pain in the neck, yeah. Something that is annoying. Oh, annoying. Oh, shh. Annoying. Or problematic. It could be a problem. It is a problem. It could be a problem. It is a problem. A problem. Oh. A problem. Oh. Yeah. I'll call it that. So, he is a pain in the neck sometimes. He talks a lot and is annoying. He is such a pain in the neck. Oh. Ooh, yeah. This issue I have been having with the tools is a pain in the neck. Yeah, it's a pain in the neck. Why does it keep doing this? Why does it keep doing that? It is a pain in the neck. Yeah. Yes. Oh, pain in the neck. Yeah. They think that she is a pain in the neck in the mornings. Yeah. So she can be a pain in the neck unless she has not had breakfast. Yeah. And then she's not a pain in the neck. Then she is not a pain in the neck. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. Without meeting him, I can tell he is a pain in the neck. Yeah. I have heard so much about him already that I can tell he is a pain in the neck. He must be quite annoying and doesn't know when to be quiet. When to be quiet. Shh. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. Pain in the neck. Oh, problem. Something annoying or problematic. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So, can you use pain in the neck in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. On YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. But also on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.